Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. Today is our 13th lecture of our free course Design of Transmission Lines and Distribution Lines. In previous lecture we have covered these topics. All the topics are available on my YouTube channel. Here I can show you my YouTube channel where it is available. These topics are. This is my YouTube channel. Here you can go playlist. In the playlist you can see in the playlist you can see design of transmission lines and distribution lines. View the full list. This is the full lectures up to this 13th lecture. Up to 12th lecture all these lectures are available here. You can watch these lectures. Now coming to my topic. In today's lecture we will study about the calculation of earthing resistance. Before starting the lecture I have a small request for you. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the videos on our social media profiles. First of all, we should know about the earthing resistance tester. Earthing resistance tester is a device used to measure earth resistance. This is the device. This is the earthing resistance tester. It has four terminals. You can say E1 and E2. These are called the current spikes or the current terminals, and P1 and P2. P1 and P2 are called the potential spikes or potential terminals. This is the test button. When you connect the spikes with these four terminals and press the test button, you will get the value of earth resistance. And this is the charging port. First of all, we have to measure the earth resistivity. To measure the earth resistivity, we use a 4-point method. To measure the earth resistivity, we use a 4-point method. In this method, we insert 4 spikes into the ground at equal distances and make connections of the earth resistance tester as shown in the figure. I will show in the figure. These are the 4 terminals of earth resistance tester or ERT in short form. And these are the 4 spikes. They should be kept at equal distances, say L. Now you have to make the connections. The E1 and E2, these are the outer 2 terminals are connected to outer 2 spikes like this, and inner 2 are connected to the inner 2 spikes like this. Now when you make these connections and press the test button in the earth resistor which I have shown early, you will get the value of earth resistance. Now you have to calculate the value of earth resistivity. The formula for calculating the earth resistivity is R is equal to 2 pi R L, where L is the distance between spikes in centimeters and R is the resistance of earth in ohms, which we will get from the ERT, that is earth resistance tester. In this way you can get the soil resistivity or earth resistivity of that particular area where you are using this earth resistance tester. Now we are using plate, pipe or rod as a earthing electrode. Now we have to know what are the formulas for calculating the resistance of a plate to earth, pipe to earth or rod to earth. Formula for calculating resistance of a plate to earth as per IS 3043 is R equal to rho by A under root of pi by A, where rho is the resistivity of soil in ohm meter, A is the area of the plate in square meters. Formula for calculating resistance of pipe or rod to earth as per IS 304. Previous was the resistance of a plate to earth as per IS 304. Now it is resistance of a pipe or a rod to earth as per IS 304. The formula is R equals 100 rho divided by 2 pi L into log base of E 4 pi divided by 8, where rho is the resistivity of soil in ohm meter, D is the diameter of pipe or rod in centimeters, and L is the length of line in centimeters. Formula for calculating resistance of pipe or rod to earth as per BS 7430. Which previous was, you can see the previous was a IS30 as based on the IS3043. Now this is based on BS4 BS7430. R is equal to rho divided by 2 pi L into long bracket log of E 8 by L 8 into L divided by D minus 1, where rho is the resistivity of soil ohm meter, D is the diameter of pipe or rod in meters, and L is the length of line in meters. Formula for calculating resistance of a strip to earth as per IS 304, where the earthing electrodes are connected by a strip. We have to calculate also the resistance of a strip to earth as per IS 304. The formula for that is R is equal to 100 rho divided by 2 pi L into log of E. 2I is 2 times of L square divided by WT, where rho is the resistivity of soil in ohm meter, W is the width of a strip in centimeters, and T is the depth in ground in centimeters, and L is the length of the strip in centimeters. Now we have know the formulas of uh, how to calculate the resistance of a strip or a pipe or a rod or a pellet to earth. Now we can use these formulas in calculating the resistance of the electrode. We can take an example, and in the example we can solve this example and take different steps using these formulas to calculate the resistance of a electrode. I think this is the better way to uh, teach you how to you can calculate the resistance of an electrode. This lecture will be taken in the next lecture. You have to wait for the next lecture for that. Thank you.